When working on your homework in Math Excel, you may wish to examine the data in a different order or in greater detail than it's presented in the actual question. For example, in this question, I find it difficult to group things by class if the data is not in order from least to greatest. Now notice I can't move data around in the actual question itself, but I can open it in another program in order to manipulate it. In order to do this, click on the blue square, usually to the upper right of a data table or a data list. I'm going to choose Open in StatCrunch. StatCrunch is a free program that comes with Math Excel, and it is very user-friendly and has a great deal of options for you. The data opens up in a single column. These are all of the data points that were listed in the original homework. The best part is you don't have to type them yourself. Once in StatCrunch, you have several options. Now, we will explore some of these in greater depth in future weeks, but in this week, let's take a look at sorting the data, because I find it easier to group things into categories if it's sorted. So I'm just going to push on the Data button, go down to Sort, and choose the column name I want to sort. Now there's only one column available because I only have one column of data, so I'll just click on it. Notice it places the name over here in the white box. If you have more than one column, those in the white box are the ones that are going to be activated or sorted. Now you can choose if you wanted it sorted ascending or descending. I'll leave this as the default and hit the Compute button. What this does is it creates a new column of data with the data sorted from least to greatest. Now I find it much easier to go over to my frequency table and determine exactly how many fall into each class, since they're very nicely sorted for me.